On a bright green cartoon farm, a big red barn stands tall, its doors creaking open to reveal a friendly green tractor with big black tires, smiling widely. The cheerful rhythm of the intro song fills the air, capturing the essence of a sunny day. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The lively tune echoes as the tractor rolls forward, its chugging diesel engine adding to the upbeat atmosphere. As the tractor moves, a close-up reveals its robust tires rolling over the lush green grass. The music continues, inviting everyone to sing along. The tires on the tractor go bump, 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 bump. Over the grass they jump and jump, bump, bump, bump. Each thump of the tires resonates with joy, creating a soundscape of the farm life. The tractor takes a gentle turn, gliding past a serene pond where a family of adorable yellow ducks swims. The warm voiceover greets them. Look, the yellow ducks are waking up. Hello, little ducks. Quack, quack. The ducks respond with playful quacking, splashing through the water, adding vibrant life to this peaceful scene. Continuing its journey, the tractor pulls a big wooden wagon behind it, filled with laughing children waving colorful flags. Their excitement is infectious as they sing the catchy tune. The wagon on the tractor goes sway, 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 taking us out to play today. Sway, sway, sway. The joyous sounds of children giggling and shouting, "Yay!" mixed with the melody, creating a delightful harmony that embodies the spirit of adventure and play. The tractor drives through the farm, making stops to greet friendly animals along the way. Cows moo curiously, and playful goats jump near the fence, eager for attention. Each interaction is met with laughter and cheer, building a community of warmth around this joyous farm day. The lively rhythm of the song keeps the energy high as the tractor continues its journey, weaving in and out of sunshine and shade. As the day unfolds, the bond among the children, animals, and the tractor grows stronger. The shared moments of laughter and song transform the ordinary farm outing into a magical adventure. Every sway of the wagon and every bump of the tires is a reminder of the joy found in simple things. The music, the sounds of nature, and the joyful voices create a tapestry of life that resonates deeply. And as the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, the tractor and its happy passengers know that they will remember this day forever.